Understanding decimals. So let's have a look at place value first, okay? So the following table shows how you deal with decimal numbers. The place value table is extended to involve tenths, hundredths and thousands. The number we have is 2,362.466. So first of all we have, starting from the left hand side, we have 2,000, then we have 300, then we have 60, then we have 2 units, 4 tenths, 6 hundredths and 6 thousandths. So we have to make sure we know our place value when we are using decimals. Comparing and ordering decimals. How can we order the following numbers? We've got negative 1.235, negative 1.345, negative 0.543, 0.543 and 0.453. Let's compare the leftmost digits first. Now in this case we've got some negative values, so we have to do the negative values first. Okay, so if you have a look at the two values on the left hand side, we have negative 1.235 and negative 1.345. The value, or the negative value that has the highest numeral, is the one that will end up going first. Now step 2, we continue to compare digits as you move from left to right. So now what we're going to do, we're moving in what we call ascending order. And there we go. So ascending order means from smallest to largest. Converting decimals to fractions. So here we go, we've got 0.791. So our first step, count the number of decimal places used. So in this case we've got 1, 2 and 3. Now step 2, we place the same amount of zeros to the denominator. So now we're going to have 3 zeros, so therefore our denominator is 1,000. And therefore 0.791 equals 791 over 1,000, or 791 thousandths. And we simplify the fraction if required. In this case, we cannot. Converting fractions to decimals. Now there are multiple methods with this. We're just going to show you 3 today. Method 1, the denominator is a power of 10. So we have 2 tenths. Step 1 is the place value. Okay, so 2 tenths would equal, we have the 2. We start from the right hand side and we move 1 place to the left due to the 1 0 in the 10. And therefore 2 tenths equal 0.2. Method 2. The denominator is not a power of 10. Step 1, find an equivalent fraction that has a base of 10. So here we've got 6/25. So what this is showing now is we're moving 25 to a value that has a base of 10. Okay, the closest one would be the value of, in this case, 100. So therefore, for the denominator, we have 25 multiplied by 4, and we have 6 multiplied by 4. So we do whatever we do to the denominator, we also do to the numerator. And therefore we get 24 over 100, or 24 hundredths. So because of that, now we are able to do what we did before in method 1. Okay, step 2 is the place value. We have our number 24, but this time we've got 2 zeros. So we start from the right and we go 2 spaces to the left. So 0.24. Method 3, divide the numerator by the denominator, so short division. So you can either use short division or long division for this, but we're going to do short division today. So we have 3/8, and it equals 3 divided by 8. So the step one is to understand the need to divide. So just have a look at that symbol, the division symbol. What does that look like to you? Have we seen that before? Step 2, complete the short division. So what we're going to do is move whatever is on the right hand side of the division sign to the outside. Then whatever is in the inside or on the left hand side of the division sign, we move to the inside for the short division. Now, how many 8s go into 3? 0. Now we carry the 3 into the tens column. So how many 8s would go into 30? We have 24. So 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. And then what's left over? We have 6. So how many 8s go into 60? We have 7. What's left over? We have 4. How many 8s go into 40? Well, we have 5. So therefore, 3/8 would be 0.75. So step 3, the solution is your decimal.